Hi guys, this is me Sagar from S General Games. In my previous video, I showed you how to set up a zombie spawning system and also how to set up this small houses presetted with the pickups and merchant shop and configure with the minimap icon. So into this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to set up a horde spawner. So you have to go in and here, and after that go to AI zombie, and this is here you can see horde spawner. You can throw into the map, and for example, if you want to spawn horde into this house, so you can use this values. It's a box. When player collide with this box, overlap with this box, it will spawn the zombies, horde zombies, which can you horde is different kind of zombie. They will chase you and hunt you down, and there is a two boxes. One is overlap box. When player close to this door, zombie will spawn inside here, and but there is a one another box which define where zombie needs to spawn in which area exactly. So you have to precisely set this uh, inside this house like this, or according to your house. This is just an example, and once you feel it is good, so you can throw like this, and do not forget to make it little bit higher, otherwise zombie will spawn inside the floor. So, and you can also increase this. So once player collide with or overlap with this box, zombie will spawn into this area, this second box area, and you can tweak the count. But for my I just put it 10, or you can make this like 6 is okay. 10 is really high because they chase you like a crazy and until you dead. So keep in mind, so make it according to your difficulty or whatever. So let me show you how this is work. And if you want to see, okay, go in here and you can see visibility and overlap box. Sometime here, untick this and also untick this. So once you, okay, let me down the sound actually, and actually I decrease the time of day night, so day night getting faster. So now you can see they are spawn exactly into the box area, and they will chase you like a crazy. So so now you get the idea, and let me increase the time of day night cycle, sky. uh this is okay. 20. So after that we are going to set up pickups. How can we add more pickups into this system? So let me show you. Actually I already add some meshes, and I use this banana and as a consumable. I will show you how to add a consumable, and I will show you how to add a guns. So I import two guns. Where is that weapon mesh? So into this game, if you go to the inventory, there is a M416 and M16A, AK-47, this 1911 SVD, a few guns, not much, 9 guns. So here we are going to add some guns, one pistol and one UMP. So maybe when you import your mesh, skeleton mesh, maybe sometime it will come with this direction, y direction. So it's facing y direction, but in my system, uh, all facing x direction. Even if you downloaded fps pack from the marketplace, which is free to use, they also came with x and y direction. So y direction is perfectly fine, because player all when let me show you why x direction is fine, because you can clearly see player is look at this direction, x direction. So if you import all the gun in x direction, which is perfectly fine with the handling the gun, and player, because uses 90 negative 90 direction, like facing to the x, so you should use x direction. So how can you fix this? Like, you have to make your weapon like this. So how can you do this? It's very simple. um, Maybe you uh, you import this, but it will facing maybe uh, negative x direction, or that direction, negative y or y, but not x. If it is the x, that's good for you. But if it is not, then what you can do is you have to right click, and first you have to export it somewhere in your computer. I export it here. Okay, and when you export this, open this, and there is a re-import mesh with dialog. And once you open this, just leave it 0. I don't know what's there into when you import, but we just need to tweak this value, negative 90. And once you do that, and when you hit import, it will turn your weapon into the x direction, and you have to save it. And now you can clearly see both are looking to the same direction. So after that, we need to change something. We need to add something. So if you open my you could open my any weapon mesh. There is a L hand location. So you just need to copy this, and there is a one more muzzle flash where a muzzle flash is spawning. So I create two sockets for that. One for hand location, which can handle the weapon, and second one is muzzle. So you need to add this socket according to exactly same way I do into this weapon. So you can go and check weapon mesh. You can see all the mesh. There is two. Okay, so you have to just use any bone, but I prefer you can use this one or root bone. It's up to you. So I use this one and add socket and paste that name which I copied, and make it a little bit far away for now. We can adjust this according to handling. So I leave it from here for now. It's just for showing purpose for now. And there is a muzzle flash already comes with this mesh which I imported. It's good, so I don't need to set it again. So another, I have same weapon. One more weapon is a Glock. I import one Glock, and this one is already in perfect direction. Direction is perfect, but there is no muzzle. So simple, copy this muzzle and go inside here somewhere, trigger, and okay, slide. Okay. Okay, I use this one for muzzle flash because center it's in the center, and I just use this and put it somewhere here. You can decrease the movement of the camera. So now it's look fine to me, and save it. And another, we just need one location for the hand. Just right click, go here. You need to exactly copy this, don't forget. Copy this, and I think this one, paste it over here, and throw somewhere here for now. We will change it later. Okay, uh, so, and save all. So now you set up one UMP and close these also, and this you can open this for now because we have to tweak this hand location into this. So I just close this one, and now what we have to do, uh, you again go to inventory section, and if you open this, you can clearly see there is a IDs. So these are the IDs, these are the name, row name. So you have to choose, if you clearly see there is a 27 items, 27, and you can clearly see there is a 27 item in ID. So there is a enum here, there's ID. So what you can do, you can, if you want to add more items, you need to add it over here. So add, so I will add all apple, sorry, apple, one more, no, just Glock, and last one UMP. And remember this, whatever you put it over here, you should keep in mind the name needs to be same over here also. Okay, if you put caps UMP and you forget over here, so when you let me show you. So you can use any consumable, like right now I'm using bandage. Right click and duplicate and name it apple. Apple, and leave it as it is because I already copied from bandage. It's a consumable item, but if you make it from new like this, so you should choose the consumable if you make consumable item. So but I copy paste, that will save my time. So here bandage, and if you go here now you will see there is apple. And keep in mind, ID name and this row name needs to be exactly the same, because if it is not, then when you can't use it then simply. So okay, keep in mind this, please. So after that, I put name apple, and refill health I just use 10%. It's a description, and I don't have any apple image right now, but leave it, for now I leave it like this, or apple. It's a static mesh. Don't Apple don't use, I don't use skeleton for simple items because it's a little bit expensive, so choose a static mesh. After that, can stack, it's up to you, it's stackable or not. And amount, you can use max stack, and how much apple to pick in, like bandage is 5, but here I put only 1, and it will stack only 10. So one apple at a time. Okay, so after that, no montage, nothing. Socket, no need to. These are by default set it inside. This is for just weapons. Is weapon? No, it's not a weapon. Yeah, it's a consumable. Yes, go. You can go and use its energy drink or whatever. So you can also add expand this one. So this is also a consumable. So you can expand this like fruits. So add this fruits. So it's in a fruit category, and once you add it, you can use it from here. Fruits. So I it's a consumable. Yes, it's consumable type. It's a fruit, and you can give the value 10%, because if you remember, I gave a 10% of health, and I put just simple value 10. This is not a boost, it's health. It will give you health. Booster is different, like uh, let me show you what is a booster. Oh, sorry, it crashed. Unreal sometime do this kind of things. No worries. I hope nothing will spoil, because sometime, okay, sometime when Unreal crashed, all saves gone. But for now, I think it's okay. Yeah, we have apple, banana, clock, UMP. Okay. And you can, when you once you do that, don't forget to save all, something like this. Control S, it will save. And after that, here there is a one apple added. Again, use this, and I don't have any images for apple right now. And we are going to quickly add UMP and other. So what you can do is just I okay, I just copy this and paste it over here. You can see there is nothing. When I paste it, it will give you all the stuff. So I just use UMP, and remember this, I told you before, there is a ID name is UMP, it's on cap, so don't forget, put it here exactly the same. Okay, after that I think I have UMP image, so I will use this one, but I don't have image, inventory image. This is for thumbnail and this is for inventory image. When you pick it, it will go show you inside the slot inventory. So, and here UMP, there is two, strange. Okay, no problem. Again save it before it trash. And after that, let me, and this is a I think, I'm not a weapon freak, but uh, it's, I think SMG comes in uh, semi machine guns or rifle, I don't know, but okay, we are going to use as SMG category. And clip size we are going to give 25 is okay for me. Current ammo is 25. Damage you can give like damage whatever, like I and you can change the range, and I think 8500 is good. And this is the crucial part, uh, this is a fire rate, and you can actually, I use this mini SMG, it's very fast fire rate, so I just use this one is 0.1. And you can use muzzle flash, and I use pistol muzzle flash or ammo shell, it's up to you what you like. Okay, after that there is a spread. We don't need to add a spread because this is if you have a projectile you can add it. I make it for you, but if you don't need to put anything here. Montage, you don't need to worry about these montage, it will automatically, or which ammo you want to use, like I give you options. You can choose 9mm, 7.5. So when you pick 9mm, it will it will automatically consider ammo for this gun. So it's up to you, what you put it over here. So it's not consumable, nothing, leave it. And one more thing, I there is a buy and sell, you can tweak these values. So for now I, okay, some put something, mm, uh, 1150, and selling price 450 for now, for testing. and save. You can same for this if you want to sell this, but I have not added in merchant shop, so leave it. So use case, one more thing is a use case. It's a equipment item, so you can use it. It's a drinkable equipment or what is, so it's a equipable item. And apple is it's for eat or drink, whatever you can eat, put eat, apple can be eaten. Okay, so after that, ump, I think ump is perfectly fine, and we add it here also. And let's close this one. But first test ump, then after that you will know how to add glock. So we are going to add a glock also. So here I going to give him a this one. This is a random loot which will generate here. I use this, these are all random pickups loots, but this is for testing purpose. I put it over here. So, and now you can use, you want to spawn glock, and same thing for you want to spawn apple on, forget this one, it's okay. So let's see what happened. So yeah, and now you can see it show you. Okay, we forget to change the name, it's okay, let me expand it. So now you can see it shows you mini smg apple, and you can see here, but there is a problem with apple, I think. Let me see. But first of all, make it little. Do we forget anything in apple? Base apple, name apple. I think use case maybe yes, maybe it's consumable and it's a fruit. So you added new category. That's why it's not showing to the inventory. I will show you how to add use this. It's consumable. So first of all, fix the name of the weapon, ump, ump, and let me pick it up, pick the ump, and it will go, and it will actually exact holding is, I think, perfect. So if you go and eject, the hands placement is, I think, perfect for now. But that's why I made that socket. If you are not happy with this location and location, so what you can do is you can see in a runtime. Okay, so you can adjust this location. I think it's okay from here also. So once you happy with location, It's up to you. You can take your time to tweak, and once you're happy, you can just don't forget to save it. So this location will save over here. So I just close this because it's fixed already, and you can see there is a 25 ammo. And you get some weird problem like this. So that is because I use SMG as a pistol. So what you can do is simply go into rifle section, and there is weapon montages. Copy this, copy this section only, this, copy and paste it in UMP. Where? In weapon section. Where is this? Actually I use fire paste. Okay, and for Glock, and let's fix that one, Apple section, which is not showing into inventory. And you can I think this is the apple. Okay, no, it's okay. You can eat and it will give you some health, but there is a problem. The problem is that, did you see, this is the problem. So when you consume it, it not consumed. That's why, because we added this is new thing, fruit. So system needs to understand this is a new category. So you just need to go in section, uh, inventory, and this. So you can't see anything because this is because of this pre-construct, so you can't see this. So here, if none, it this widget will collapse. So you can just visible this, so you can see this. So once you use this button, like over here, so you can see it's hill or eat, it will go over here, go inside this take consumable, and it go inside the player base base player. So you have to go inside the base player, and you can go here, interfaces, consumable. So here you can see there is a no fruit assigned to anything, so it will go on nothing. That's why it's keep popping up if you consume or not. So you just need to, it give you the current health. So health is come from item, and you can use throw this over here. So let me again show you, and just That's why I make it disable. So once there is nothing, so you should consider this this as collapsed. So I mention each and everything from here. So when you if you open, nothing is there because you don't select anything, so it won't show you. So once you pick it apple, so I'm confused. Okay, this is not apple image, that's why. So you can see the detail: refill health 10%, max tech 10, and eat. This will show you some health is already 100%, that's why you can't use it. Okay, so let me take some damage. Okay, hit me. Okay, let's run away. And if you go a little bit far from them, I add a distance around I think 2000 or 3000 meter or feet. So now you see my health is up by 10 points. So now you see I added one more thing. Let me quickly complete this one. Into here, uh, zombie spawner, horde zombie spawner, control B, it will take you to there. So there is no assign image point of interest, so we are going to assign some image. mm, mm, the shop image icons, we use this one as a horde. And now you can see once you close, so the minimap show you the point of interest is this is there is a horde. So it's up to you, you want to mess with them or not, or if you want make it static, it will stay in the minimap border. You can see there's it it will always keep stay in the minimap border. Okay, so I think I cover most of the thing. Last thing, quickly added Glock. After that I will finish this tutorial. So we added most of the things, and over here make it little bit room and copy this, because this is a pistol, so just copy this one or duplicate it and name clock. It's a weapon, and you just need same clock. Maybe you add glock underscore 09 whatever, so same thing, you just need to put same name which you selected over here. And after that, don't don't touch this one, and you can name whatever, glock something something. It's it will work fine. But or you can add Glock 9 or whatever. So this is not mass any kind of thing, but consider this when you put the name ID match. So same thing, description uses 9 mm if you want to put. And I don't have Glock images, so I leave it like this and use Glock. Everything I leave it for now. You can tweak the values or whatever. And don't forget, if you make a pistol and you don't copy from the pistol, you just need to select a pistol, not shotgun, not other. So it's a category of pistol. And yes, okay, we just increase the fire rate if you want. 3.3, save. And again, let me go or duplicate this one and throw this clock. So Glock 9, okay. And I think this one Glock 9 image are different, needs to be different, but I don't have any. So now you can see, you can again use this, you can play in here and pick it up and equip. And now you just go here, let me close all this thing, eject, and so you can adjust the hands. Same, use this one. I think it's okay, like this again. So I hope I covered most of the thing. And after this, okay, what is this? Point of interest, point of interest. Okay, actually, oh, when I eject from here, then it will give you some weird issue. So it's just for debugging thing. When you eject from here, and you eject, that that will give you some weird error. Don't worry about it. It will not give you when you exactly play the game. There is no error, no error. So I think I covered almost all things. After that I will show you how to add um, new things in vendor shop. So for now, vendor have this, merchant have only few guns. which is already in template. So we added two items, two new guns. uh, One is UMP. So what, how can you add this into here? It's simple. You just need to open inventory. I think not inventory, pickup, here, shop, sorry. And you need to open this master shop. And after that you just need to go here, because you need to copy this one, copy this block, copy, and go here, merchant graph, close it, and you can see there is a weapon data, and there's this weapon data, and there is a arrays. So just click this and add it from the last one, add it from inside this one, paste. So now once once you reach the shop and open the inventory, you will see Glock. So here the Glock 9 and 200 values. You can tweak the values. And how can I'll already show you. This is buy value 200, sale value, whatever you put it over here, it will show you inside this. Because you directly copy this thing here, and if you want you can throw this up in where the all weapon belongs. You can put it somewhere here. Okay, and same thing for consumable. So you can add apple over here if you want. Actually apple, I don't recommend you just choose apple in the shop, but if you want, it's up to you. Copy and go here and paste it in this. And now let first go to weapon shop. So here your Glock, you can buy, and here apple, this is the apple. I don't set a image. You can set your own image when you once you create item. So I don't have a image for that, so you can. So I buy apple 1 2 3. Okay, once you, and there is a apples, 3 apples, eat. You can't eat because your health is already 100%. Okay guys, I think everything is completed. I show you everything, and after that I will show you the how to use your own mini map. Actually right now you can see there is a grass and it's a template map. So how can you use this as a image? So I will show you this into another video. So okay guys, see you soon into the next one. Bye.